JD Camp 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And I want to show you something on your compressor that is very important. Underneath your compressor, there's a valve right here. Okay, and you want to go underneath there and you want to open the valve up and let the air out once in a while to get, especially if you're in a high humidity, to get the water over inside. And we're just going to open up this valve by turning it counterclockwise. Okay, no air in it right now. Okay, after a while, if your hoses are not connected really tight, you're not going to have any air in it. But when you do have air in it, let it out and let the condensation out of the tank. And then to close it, you're going to go clockwise. Okay, I just want to show you that. And I hope this helps you. And I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.